أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر
الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وأزواجه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما أجمعين inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, when we were learning fi'al, I told you about the root word consists of three radicals. We say first radical, second radical, and third radical. Or we say fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Now, brothers and sisters, this is the root. And many patterns you will see, we will come across, they are based or built on the root. Okay? One of the pattern of adjectives, sifat, one of the pattern is, brother, what is this pattern? Fa'alam. No, you just have to see the root. Where is the root? Fa, ain, and lam. Everything else is extra. What is it? But that is the root. So if I say to you, brothers and sisters, Jav'anu, where is the root? Jim, Waw, and Ain. If I say to you, Radbanu, where is the root? Ghain, Dad, Ba. Everything else is extra. So if I have to say the plural of this is made on the pattern of fi'alun. So how will you make Ghadamanu into fi'alun? Ghidabun. Got the idea? Okay. Atshanu. Where is the root? Ain, Toy, and Sheen. So make on the wazan of fi'alun, E, Ta, Shun. It's easy. Huh? E, Ta, Shun. Got that? Huh? Okay. Now, if I say the muannas is on the pattern of fa'ala. So how will you say now? Ghadbanu, ghadba. What will you say? Because we just have to look to the fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Are you with me? All the time you will see patterns coming in front of you, and they will all consist of fa, a, ain, and lam. And then rest of things are extra. Okay? So here, atshanu, make it on the pattern of fa'ala, atsha. It should not be difficult. Huh? Kaslanu, kasla. Huh? So it's not difficult. Huh? The only thing is to understand how the pattern works and how it is derived. And we only look to 3 radicals. That's all we look to. Everything else is extra. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, jav'anu, brother and sisters, and ghadabanu and atshanu, when you go to the root, you will find a verb there. Huh? Ghadabanu, the madi is ghadiba. He became angry. Atshanu, atshanu, atasha. He became thirsty. And shab'anu, remember? I will write down shab'anu. Mostly this is related to food. When you are full, satisfied, means you are not overeating. You are just full. You just need enough. I'm full now. So that is called shab'an. Okay. So what is the verb? Shabiya, to be satisfied. Are you with me, brother and sister? So how will you make the fi'alun from here? Shiba'un. Huh? Just remember, fa'ala, shiba'un. Huh? And what will be the muannas on the pattern of fa'ala? Shaba. Shaba. Got the idea? And what is the verb? Shabiya. To be satisfied. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Keep that in mind. Now, coming to jav'anu, okay, the verb is like qala. Okay, what is the root of qala? Qawala. Are you with me? Huh? What is the root of zaka? Zabaka. We are going to learn. This is all in lesson 26, 27. We are going to learn. Those lessons are exclusively devoted to weak letters. We must get strong in our sound verbs in which there is no vav and no ja. These are the verbs we are learning now. And then we come to weak verbs. Inshallah, we should be strong enough to tackle them with ease. So ja'a, he became hungry. So ja'a is jaba'a. And from there, it came java'anu. But when, these are the things between waw and ya, they interchange sometimes. As soon as you put G, the waw change into ya. Because waw is not compatible with kasra. And ya is not compatible with dhamma. We are going to learn all these things, inshallah. Instead of saying jiva'un, you say jiya'un. What do you say? Jiya'un. Instead of saying, I write down. Instead of saying jiva'un, because of kasra, the vav changed into ya. So you say, are you with me? Huh? More we are going to learn later on. Huh? There is a lot to learn, and it is all very fascinating and very interesting. Like mathematics, brother. Huh? The earlier Muslims, brother, they were masters of mathematics and science. Because the Arabic language itself is mathematics and science. Huh? Arabic language itself is mathematics and science. So earlier Muslims, they were masters of mathematics and science. And from where the Renaissance in Europe took place, they learned everything from earlier Muslims and then went ahead and progressed in science, okay, and applied science and everything. And we somehow, for various reasons, we went to sleep. I think we are still sleeping. We have to wake up. Because education, be it science, mathematics, chemistry, is also part of ibadat. Brother, Allah has given us brain, and we must use it. Huh? And those who use it, they go ahead. Those who sleep will remain asleep and ignorant, brother. So learning is part of Islam. Remember the first command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Iqra. Means read. And how will you read? Unless you know how to read. So better learn how to read. We should learn how to read and then read and read and read and read. More and more, inshallah. So brother, jiva'un became jiya'un. So it should not surprise you, okay? And we will get to learn more about all these things later on in book 3. So we come to the same page 44, brothers and sisters. Hamidun Jav'anu. These are the misal. These are the examples. And then we have to fill in the blanks. Hamidun Jav'anu. And what will be Maryam? Jav'a. Write down the wazan there. Write down the wazan. Fa'alanu. Write down the wazan. Fa'alanu. And then write down near Maryam the wazan. Fa'ala. Okay? And then write down the wazan near Jiya'un. Write down the wazan Fi'alun. And somewhere on the top, write down Jiba'un and then equal to Jiya'un. Write down. Jiba'un is equal to Jiya'un. So all these patterns, if they are there, inshallah, when you will revise, you will become fresh and it will not confuse you. Fa'ala, fi'alun, jiwa'un became jiya'un. Okay. Khalidun atshanu. Maryamu atsha. At-tullabu itashun. At-talibatu itashun. Are you with us, Mother Abdul Samad? Inshallah. Ibrahimu Sha'ban. Maryamu Shab'a. Are you with me? You can even easily do it now, Okay? And at-tullabu Shiba'un. At-talibatu Shiba'un. Fine. Al-mudarrisu Ghadbanu. Al-mudarrisatu Ghadba. Al-mudarrisuna Ghidabun. Al-mudarrisatu Ghidabun. Same. From in plural, For Muannas and Muzakkar, it's same. Fine, brother. Okay. Yusufu, Kaslan. Maryamu, Kasla. Now here the plural does not follow the pattern. The pattern has changed. What is it? Kusala. Instead of fi'alun, it's different pattern. So we just have to memorize it. This is an exception. Kusala. What is it, brother and sister? Exception. Okay, fine. Now we come to number 15. Ta'ammal. Ponder. Ma yali. What follows. Lima is equal to limaza. What is the meaning of lima? Why? Limaza. What is the meaning of limaza? Why? Are you with me? So here is a question. Lima kharajta min al fasli. Okay. Lima kharajta min al fasli. What is the translation? Why did you go out of the class or come out of the class? Okay. Now, if we have a hiwar, which means dialogue, akharajta min al fasli. What is the translation? Did you leave the class? You said naam. Then I'm asking you, lima. Why? How the lima is used? When the lima is used alone, then the ha comes. This is called how sakti, silent ha. What is it? Silent ha. It only comes when lima is used alone, on its own. But you won't use lima in the beginning. There will be other questions. Akharajta min al fasli? Naam, kharajtu. And then you are asking, why? Lima. So ha will come as a silent, lima. You are not pronouncing it because there is a sukoon on it. And it comes in the Quran also, like this, you know. Lima darabta. See here, lima darabta. Lima is not alone. Are you with me? Lima is not alone. Lima darabta hazal walada. Lima darabta hazal walada. Brothers and sisters. Now the hiwar takes place. Adarabta hazal walada. Translation. Did you hit the boy? Naam. Now we say, instead of saying, why did you hit the boy? We say, lima. Why? Are you with me? So this is how lima is used. Keep that in mind, brothers and sisters. If Dr. Abdurrahim explains us something without asking us to do any exercises, he means that this rule should be observed and kept in mind. This is for our observation. When there are no exercises, means he is explaining the rule and we should bear it in our mind. When he says do the exercise, means that rule is even more important and we should practice it. Okay, number 16, brothers and sisters. Uktubil asmal atiyata majruratan wa mansubatan. Now we have done this in book 1, brother. Al-marfu, al-majrur, and al-mansub. Okay. We did it, if you remember. We had a special page where you were asked to do it. Kitabun, kitabin, kitaban. The only thing you should be careful when you have mansub form, which is indefinite, then alif is added. Do you see, Brother Muhammad? Kitaban, Brother Hassan, how kitaban is written? With a tanween fatah, there is a alif. So that should be also born in our minds, you know. Hamidun, Hamidin, Hamidan. Now this is all halwa puri, brother. You can do it. Khalidun, Khalidin, Khalidan, Baitun, Baitin, Baitan, Rajulin, Rajulan. Okay. Now comes Sayarat. Sayaratun, sayaratin, sayaratan. Now in ta marbuta you don't give alif. Do you see that? In ta marbuta you don't give alif. Okay? Sa'atun, sa'atin, sa'atan. Mikwatun, mikwatin, mikwatan. Saburatun, saburatin, saburatan. Madrasatun, madrasatin, madrasatan. No, this is very easy, brother. Inshallah, you will do it. Huh? Probably you have all done the exercise in your handout. Ta'ammal ma yali. Ponder what follows. Hati ya Ahmad. Now, hati, brother and sister, is a fi'l amar. But we will learn a little more about it later on in book 3. Huh? Okay, hati, what is the translation? Bring. Huh? Okay. Hati, no, if it is a fi'l, then there has to be a fa'il. So where is the fa'il in hati? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu anta. Taqdiruhu anta. Within next few days we are going to learn fi'l amar. And you will be, inshallah, very comfortable and you will enjoy it, inshallah. Now, for muannas it is hati, with ya. Now tell me, brothers and sisters, between hati with a kasra, single kasra, and between hati with a kasra and ya, what is the difference? Yes, ya is your fa'il. What is it? Ya is your fa'il. And what does it represent, Sister Maimuna? Anti. What does it represent? Anti. That ya means anti. Okay? It is the same ya that comes in the mudariya. You know? Tazhabina. Remember? Tajlisina. Tarji'ina. That is the same ya. Okay? For anti. And hatu, where is the fa'il? Wow. And hatina, where is the fa'il? Nunu niswa. Just remember it, brother and sister. Fine. Now number 18 is a very interesting exercise, brothers and sisters. How many of you have gone to the website of Medina University? You should all go, huh? All of you? Huh? Brother Hassan, have you been? Okay, because all these things are there with pronunciation and everything. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing, brother. It was not there when we were learning Arabic. These are all